Hey guys, so today we're going to drop off the zebra finches, the 3 zebra finches that we are going to show tomorrow. And yeah, they're at the back, so we're going to drop off them at Commune, and we'll see what's in there, how they prepare the area, and let's go. So hey guys, we're here and we're just gonna drop off the birds for tomorrow's show. And yeah, I'll show you guys the inside of the bird show and how they prepare the birds and what birds are in there. So let's go. Ay, nako na. So here's our zebra finches. So we've already benched them right there. There's some other zebra finches right here. And the other ones are still in the boxes. They will be benched here maybe tomorrow morning or tonight. So we will leave the birds, guys, and because I have work later on, so yeah, we'll be back here tomorrow around 8 a.m. in the morning. So yeah, and we'll help them tomorrow. So as you can see, I'm working now. I just wanna continue the video because I just wanna continue the vlog because I watched the video that I recorded earlier and I saw the birds. It's so beautiful, and I regret that I recorded them so short. And yeah, I really like the zebra finches there. When I saw them, my heart was pounding. I was so amazed because there's so much breeder out there. You know, they have silver, cream, fawns, normal grays, and I didn't know that there is a continental CFW here in New Zealand. All I know was a regular CFW because I've never seen any continental CFW here. But yeah, yes, as you can see in the video, the CFW that I recorded, that is a continental CFW, and it was really nice bird. And I've seen a lot of silver there in the boxes, the showcases, but I didn't see much of pieds and creams. But I've seen some whites there. There's heaps of whites. But yeah, CFW, creams, and whites. I mean, creams, CFW, and what else? Pied. So yeah, it's really nice. And I've seen the Java there, the Java finch. It's a pied mutation. So that's my first time seeing that mutation, and it's really nice. And yeah, there's more coming tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm so excited because there will be a lot more birds in there, and it's gonna be very exciting. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, and we'll be there early in the morning. So yeah, thank you guys again for watching. This is my vlog. See you guys tomorrow.